welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. I'm Jaisha, and today I am finally giving a review on the new Fenty Hair products. I bought these products as soon as they dropped, like immediately on launch day, but my hair was in a protective style, so I wasn't able to use the products just yet, but I just took my hair out of that protective style, which is why it's not done right now. So today is wash day. So I'm about to use the Fenty Moisture Repair Shampoo, their Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner to wash my hair. And I'm also going to use this Fenty Stronghold Gel for a wash and go. Technically, no, it's not made for wash and goes, but that's not going to stop me from using it. We're experimenting, okay? Sometimes you gotta break the rules a little bit. I'm excited, but also nervous because I've been dying to try these products out for the last few weeks since I've had them, and I've just been excited for the Fenty Hair release period. But I'm also a little bit nervous because that first wash day, when you take your hair out of the protective style, it can be a little bit interesting. So that, on top of using new products, I'm hoping they don't clash and compromise my results, but we're about to find out. And this is what the fro is looking like. Just took out my faux locks, and I don't know about you, but I just love seeing and feeling my curls come back after they've been tucked away for a little while, whether it's after being braided or from a silk press. I just love that first dose of water that just makes my hair shrivel back up and seeing the curls come back to life. Starting with this Fenty Hair Moisture Repair Shampoo, the rich one. I like to start by focusing the shampoo on my scalp first and just making sure that it gets all over my head. Ooh, smell test. And then making sure it gets all over my head and working it in with my fingertips and kind of just massaging it into my scalp. And after that, I go in with my scalp brush to really get the dirt and oils and product buildup off of my scalp so that it's nice and clean. This also stimulates blood flow, so that's supposed to be good for hair growth as well. Once I feel like my scalp is good, I'll add a little bit more shampoo to the length of my hair and my ends and just work that in. And I always shampoo twice. The second time is usually much easier, as in there isn't as much cleaning or scrubbing to do. If you have a good shampoo, it should clean your hair properly the first time around. And the lather cleanse process should be easier on the second wash because there's no dirt or oil or product on your hair. Second step is the Fenty Hair Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner, the richer one. I don't know why, but I thought it smelled weird at first, and I don't like weird smells in my hair or heavy perfume scented like smells products for my hair. So that's what my face was about. Anyways, my hair was super duper tangled on this wash day. Coming out of a protective style, I usually expect some tangles, but I really should have started this process when I was taking my faux locks out, so that's really my fault. But whenever my hair is this tangled, I really just have to take my time with it. I separate it in small sections. I keep applying water to make sure that it stays wet, and conditioner, finger detangle, and use my detangling brush and just be as gentle as possible. The hard part was that a lot of the tangles were at my roots, so I can normally get through each quadrant of my hair in like a minute or two, but I was spending like 5 to 6 minutes on each quadrant, so I definitely had to take my time with this. And once I'm able to fully just glide my brush from the roots to the ends of my hair, I twist that section up so that it stays detangled and just move on to the rest of the sections and continue doing that for the rest of my hair. Alright, so I'm done washing and deep conditioning my hair. I left the deep conditioner on with the plastic cap, and I let it sit in my hair for maybe like 10, 12, 15 minutes. I couldn't really keep track, but the first thing I want to say is when I was rinsing it out, of my hair felt really good. It felt really soft and just like moisturized, so I like that about the deep conditioner. But now I'm about to move on to styling my hair with this Stronghold gel, and like I said before, it is not made for wash and goes. It is made to slick your hair down, hold it in place, but I'm gonna give it a shot with my wash and go because these brands be playing. Normally I stick to instructions when it comes to hair products, but not for a gel, because these companies be playing. Like, there's so many products, so many gels that I have bought that say Stronghold and they're really not Stronghold. So we're gonna see if this one lives up to the name. For the sake of this video, trying out this new product, I'm gonna use the gel by itself because I don't want any other products or brands to interfere, to take away from or add to the job that this gel is going to do. I really want to see how it works on its own. So I'm a little nervous about that this time, only because if it really is a Stronghold gel, a leave-in underneath would probably be best, but we're experimenting. We're going to see how it works. So let's see. Are you strong, gel? Are you strong? Looks pretty thick. I'm gonna try not to use a lot of product. I can be kind of heavy-handed with my hair products, so I'm gonna try to kind of go light and work my way up if I need to. It actually feels kind of moisturizing. It doesn't feel like, ooh, that bounce. It doesn't feel like super hard. With Stronghold gels, like, you're typically gonna get crunchy results if they really are Stronghold. So this first section looks alright. I didn't use a lot of product. My roots are still kind of frizzy, but my ends seem pretty defined. Starting with this much and adding more as I go. My first quadrant is done. It doesn't feel super strong or heavy. It actually feels kind of moisturizing, which tells me it might be good for wash and go, but it's still too early to tell, so let's keep going. So while I do the rest of my hair, let's talk about the shampoo and conditioner from Fenty Hair. The shampoo worked well, but it's not very hard for a shampoo to be bad or not work well. The basis of it is just cleansing your hair. And coming out of a protective style, my hair had a lot of product buildup. It had a lot of dirt and product buildup on there. My style was in for 3 weeks, so it had been just over 3 weeks since I last washed my hair, and so I would say it definitely did a good job of cleansing my scalp, cleansing my hair, and I feel like it cleansed well on the first wash, because on the second wash the shampoo was lathering up really well. It was moving through my hair and getting really soapy and stuff much quicker and easier, so that tells me that the first wash really cleansed my hair and my scalp. For the deep conditioner, it's kind of hard to say, only because my hair was so tangled up from being braided, and when my hair is that tangled, I don't know if there's any product that will necessarily be able to work through it. So I really had to take my time with detangling when I was deep conditioning. I had to keep separating my hair into smaller parts. I had to continuously wet it, apply more product. So I will say it had a nice consistency, but I don't know if it was like helping that much with my detangling. But again, my hair was way more tangled than it normally is. Like I said before, the good news is that when I rinsed it out, my hair felt really nice. It felt super soft, super moisturized, and even right now, as I'm applying just this gel without any leave-in conditioner, my hair feels pretty moisturized and kind of has that same softness to it. And in actuality, I'm still not even fully detangled. So overall, my first impression of the deep conditioner was really nothing out of the ordinary, but something that some of these Fenty products claim to be able to do on the deep conditioner bottle, and some of the other products which I have not bought or used, but on this deep conditioner bottle it says that it can prevent and repair damaged hair and split ends. I don't trust when companies make these type of claims. I always side-eye products and companies that make these claims. Prevent damage, prevent split ends, yes, we can do that. But repairing damaged hair, repairing split ends, it's just not possible. There is not a product in the world that can repair split ends, repair damaged hair. Once your hair is split, once the bonds are damaged and broken, there's no coming back from that. It's damaged, it's split, it's gone. So it's very suspicious, and it really screams marketing grab when companies make these claims. Now, I still bought the product simply for my love of Rihanna, but I'm mentioning it just so that no one goes into buying products with these claims and they have the expectation that those products are actually going to be able to reverse damage or reverse split ends. Preventing it is a whole different story. Yes, we can do that, but reversing it, repairing it, I'm sorry, it's not going to happen. From this right here, I don't see this being a stronghold gel. Just from what I'm looking at right now, I can usually tell how my hair reacts to a product if I'm going to get the staying power and the hold that I like. And I don't know, I just don't see it with this, but we're gonna stay tuned to the final results to make that determination. I'm gonna go diffuse my hair and we'll see what it looks like, but I feel like it's gonna be a frizzy hot mess. Okay, my hair's not 100% dry, but it's probably about 90-ish% dry, and I'm just gonna let nature do the rest. There's a good amount of frizz, which I kind of expected. When I first started applying the product to my hair, I could tell it just wasn't a strong hold, but it's still a good product. I just would not classify it as a stronghold gel. There's no crunch to my hair. I do like that there isn't any flaking so far. I have not seen any like residue on my hair. I haven't seen any flaking. This is why I said let me try it for a wash and go, even though that wasn't the recommended use for it, because I know how this shit works. They always put in stronghold gel on something and it's never stronghold. There are just so few products that actually deliver stronghold results, and it's not bad. These results are good. Maybe my definition of stronghold is just different from what everyone else's definition is. And again, this is only my first time using it, so sometimes it's a little hard to judge a product based on one-time use. Sometimes you have to use it a few times, or even just see how it does throughout the next couple of days to determine how well you like it or don't like it, or if you would buy it again or not buy it again. The shampoo and conditioner, I would probably say I'm not buying those again. Nothing really wowed me about them. Again, not bad products, but there's nothing spectacular that would say, hey, let me keep these in my rotation, like I have to have them. I didn't get that wow factor. But yeah, I'm gonna use these for a while, for a few wash and goes, see how I like it, see if my opinion changes in any way, if I notice anything different about my hair or about using the products, and maybe I'll make another video. I'm hoping to make another video with an update after I've been using these products for a little while to tell you guys, do I still like it, do I not like it, any difference, any changes, all that good stuff. Hey guys, I'm back with a really quick update. So it's the next day, the day after I washed my hair, and it fully dried. I went to sleep with this pineapple and a bonnet on top of it. I haven't done anything to it yet, but the first thing that I noticed as soon as I took my bonnet off, my hair smelled amazing. Like the scent was like fresh out of the salon, clean hair, really nice fresh scent, and I really like that. which is on brand for Rihanna because she's always really good with scents. So that was cool. My hair did get a little bit more crunchy as it dried, like certain parts, but nothing crazy. I think there's still gonna be like a good amount of frizz. Ah, see the smell. Every time my hair moves, it smells really good. So back here is where like a lot of the frizz is, but I think the curls are still pretty defined. Maybe I was a little light-handed in the back and I probably put more product in the front. So the front is definitely more defined. I think I used more product up here. The back has more frizz, but it's dry, and these spots where I put more product is a little bit more crunchy, but I still don't have any residue. There's like a little tiny bit of flaking, like just when I'm fluffing my hair out. I think the gel did really good, especially if I were to use like a curl defining product underneath it, like maybe a mousse or like a curl defining cream, a curl defining custard, or I don't know. I feel like it could be ramped up if I used a little bit more product or combined it with another product that worked really well. Obviously using more, it has the potential to be stronghold, and I think that it's good that it's multi-purpose, so you can use it for slicking your hair down, but you can also use it for a wash and go. And I kind of like that it's buildable. Is that a thing for like hair products? I don't know, but it's kind of buildable in a way, because if you do want like a fluffier, more voluminous look for your hair, just use a little bit less. But if you want more defined curls, you can just use a little bit more. And that's kind of innovative. Like that's, I don't know if that's innovative, but that's kind of cool. Like multi-purpose, you can use it for a lot of different things. You can use it how you want. For different styles, and you can kind of tailor it to what you like, because I think the gel is actually really good. The shampoo and conditioner are just average, but I love that the gel worked for a wash and go, even though it technically was not designed for wash and goes. But thank you guys for watching. Please hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and hit the subscribe button if you would like to see more of my videos, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.